Okay guys, now here on my phone screen I'm going to be taking you now through the main aspect of this video and how you can now start earning money. Okay, you're not going to be paying a dime for this because it doesn't require any capital to start. The first thing you just need is your internet connection and your Google or Chrome browser. Now once you have your Chrome browser, what you just have to do is to search for Jumia Code. Okay, so search for Jumia Call. I've already made a video about how to run Jumia Call and how to get your affiliate ID. Now what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be promoting Jumia's product, and once you sell Jumia's product, Jumia is going to pay for that, ranging from a 9% commission. Let's say you sell a fashion product. Once you sell that product and the buyer uses your affiliate link to purchase that product, you're going to get paid a 9% commission. Yes, now now what you just have to do here is to sign up for Jumia Call. I've already made a video about how to sign up for Jumia Call and how to generate your affiliate marketing link. Now it depends on the type of product you want to promote. If you want to promote a phone product, a fashion product, or any type of product, it depends. Okay, I've already made a video about how to get your link. If you want a fashion product link, I've already made a video. Just check the link, the first link in the description box to get it. If you want a phone or a digital product link, I've already taught how to get it. And now once you have it, you get your affiliate marketing link. Is in at this section you're going to get your affiliate marketing link. I've already made a video about it, explaining in detailedly everything you really need to know about working with Jumia Call. Now go and watch the video. After you've watched it, come back to this video and get your affiliate link for the product you want to promote. Now once you've gotten those products, the next thing you have to do is to go. Once you've gotten your affiliate marketing link, the first thing you have to do is to come over to your Facebook, Instagram, or any social media account and start posting that product. Like me, I'm promoting a phone product. As you can see what I posted: Techno, Infinix, Samsung, and iPhone for sale. New ones in carton, no London use. And you can see many people are leaving comments to show that they want to buy it. Now once I send them my Jumia affiliate marketing link to purchase this product, I'm going to get paid a 9% commission. Yes, and this is what I do each and every day by day in order to earn money online. As I said, I've already made a video about Jumia Code and how to generate your affiliate marketing link. Just watch the video, then come over to this other video and watch completely, and then generate your affiliate marketing link for the product you want to promote. But I will recommend digital products like phones, headset, and all those Bluetooth devices. Yes, I will recommend it. Then come over to your Facebook or social media accounts and start posting it. And once you have posted it, wow, you're going to tell you start getting comments like this, and then you will now start sending your link to them. And once they use your link to purchase the product, you're going to get paid a 9% commission from Jumia. I hope this video was quite educative and informative. Please, if it was, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.